Hi folks, I'm Ben Calley with Sprad's RV. I want to introduce you to one of our toy haulers here. This is a 25-foot RQMX Shockwave. Shockwave has got 220 watt solar panel on it. You've got electric front and rear stabilizers, all aluminum frame, foam block insulation. This thing has got everything that you possibly need. If you can see in the rear, you also have the playpen in the back. So you've got a full deck back there to put your barbecue on, your family to sit in the sunshine. Let's go take a look inside and see what we can see. All right, folks, we're now inside that 5-foot Shockwave. As you can see, we have the large oven in here. You can cook the whole chicken in here rather than chicken nuggets in a lot of them. You have 3 bed surfaces in here. This couch converts into a bed. The bottom 2 couches make into another bed, and you have one up at the ceiling. There's your large deck outside for your patio. You've got 2 swivel chairs in here, very, very comfortable, that you could take and put outside. You've got a great Kenwood sound system in here with speakers both inside and outside. You have plenty of tie downs in here for all your toys. This is something I think is worth for you folks coming in and taking a look at. Come in and ask for Ben. Ben will be glad to take you around and show you the lot, and I'll show you this unit if you're interested. Look forward to seeing you soon.